It might look simple, but this one exercise can transform your body more than you think. In only 60 seconds daily, you'll challenge your core, improve stability, and strengthen muscles that support better posture and everyday movement. No fancy equipment, no long workouts, just your body, the floor, and a little discipline. Stick with it, and you may notice yourself standing taller, moving with more confidence, and even burning extra calories without realizing it. In this video, we'll break down exactly how your body changes when you commit to doing a 1-minute plank every day, and why it could be the most powerful minute of your workout. 1. Less risk of back pain and spine injuries. Most workouts come with some risk. Do the wrong move, and your back pays the price. But planks? When done right, they strengthen your back muscles without loading your hips or spine. Better posture, less pain. And that's just the beginning. Wait until you hear what the plank does for your abs. 2. Abs. You can actually see planks hit your abs, obliques, and deep core muscles all at once. Get stronger here, and you'll feel it everywhere. Squats, deadlifts, even everyday movements. And ladies, this one's for you. It also works wonders for your glutes. But the best part? We're only halfway through. 3. Faster metabolism. This is where it gets interesting. Planks use multiple muscles at once, which means you burn more calories than with crunches or sit-ups. More muscle means burning more calories even when you're watching Netflix. And 4, it could save you from awkward stumbles. 4. Better balance. Ever tried standing on one leg and felt like you were about to tip over? That's because of weak core muscles. 1 minute of planks a day builds rock-solid stability, so you move better in sports and life. And the last one might surprise you. It's all in your head. 5. Mental boost. Planks don't just change your body, they can change your mood. They release tension from sitting or standing all day, help you stand taller, and even lower stress. Some people say it helps with anxiety and mild depression. More confidence, less stress, stronger body. How to do a perfect plank. Start on the floor, resting on your forearms with elbows right under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your neck neutral by looking down. Breathe steadily. 1 perfect plank beats 10 sloppy ones. If you do it wrong, you can cause harm. So, here's the challenge. Starting today, right after watching this, do a 60-second plank every day for 30 days. Remember, it takes time and patience to make new habits and record your progress and celebrate every little win. And if this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.